August Schell Snowstorm 2011 is wheat heavy with 7% ABV. It's a deep amber and a brown colored beer, clear with few streams of rising bubbles. Foamy, medium-sized off-white head tops out the beer, leaves a good lace trail. I like the nose, opening with thick caramel malt and a noticeable peat smokiness, maybe some darker fruits in the depths. The peat is pretty prominent in the taste as well. I don't think it's ever put in barrels, but there are wood notes as well. The malts are nice and rich with a lightly bitter hop finish. Dark fruits are mixed in as well. And Professor Sudz letter grade for August Schell Snowstorm 2011 is a B+.